In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix tax calculation not working on Gumroad in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Tax calculation problems on Gumroad usually happen because of incomplete tax settings, incorrect product setup, or billing mismatches. Whether it's VAT, sales tax, or regional taxes, making sure everything is configured properly is important. Now, if you want to fix tax calculation not working on Gumroad, here's what to do. Start by logging into your Gumroad account and going to your dashboard. Next, go to Settings and open the Payments or Tax Settings section. After that, make sure Automatic Tax Collection is enabled and confirm all required tax information is completed correctly, because incomplete setup can stop taxes from calculating during checkout. Then, check your product type settings. Some tax rules depend on whether the product is digital, physical, or membership based. So make sure the correct product category is selected. Now, confirm the customer location settings. Tax calculation depends on billing addresses and IP locations, so incorrect billing details or VPN usage may prevent taxes from showing correctly. After that, review your VAT settings if you sell in VAT supported regions. Make sure your VAT ID and reverse charge settings are configured properly, because incorrect VAT setup can also block calculations. Then, test the checkout process yourself using incognito mode or different billing addresses to confirm taxes are calculating correctly. Usually, this problem happens because of incomplete tax setup, incorrect product configuration, or billing mismatches. Carefully reviewing these settings normally fixes the issue quickly. That's it. By checking your Gumroad tax settings properly, you can fix tax calculation issues and make sure taxes are applied correctly during checkout.